Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makisa and I'm a mental health as well as marriage and family counselor. On this channel, you will receive tips on how to maintain optimum mental health, foster healthy relationships, as well as promote self-development. If you are new here, welcome. I'm glad you could join me. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Today's topic is going to focus on postpartum depression. Having a baby is such an exciting time in a parent's life. There's so many things to look forward to, such as your baby's first laugh, their first words, their first steps, and all of their developmental milestones that they will reach. There's so much anticipation that comes as you wait for the arrival of your little one. But let me ask you this. What happens when things don't go as planned? What happens when your baby arrives and you don't get that giddy or exciting feeling as you should? Instead, you're sad or you're in a state of funk that you just cannot shake. Or you may be having a really hard time adjusting to all of the new changes that comes with having a new baby. If any of this sounds familiar, you may be experiencing postpartum depression. Now, you may have heard of the term of baby blues. That's a little different than having postpartum depression. With baby blues, you may have, mild feelings of sadness. The onset of those symptoms or feelings can happen anywhere from 2 to 35 days after you give birth and can last for about 2 weeks. You may cry, you may be a little moody, and you may have some trouble sleeping. Postpartum depression is a medical condition which many women may get as a result of having their baby. When postpartum depression occurs, there is a decrease in your hormone levels. Symptoms of postpartum depression may include having a really difficult time bonding with your baby, or just feeling disconnected from your little one. You may struggle to take care of yourself as well as your day-to-day tasks. You may experience a loss of appetite, insomnia, anxiety, and strong feelings of sadness. You may also experience feelings of guilt or hopelessness, shame, severe mood swings, as well as a loss in interest in activities that you're accustomed to doing. In some rare cases, you may also have thoughts of hurting yourself as well as hurting your baby. If this occurs, it is extremely important to seek medical attention immediately and reach out to your local emergency department. There is no exact cause for postpartum depression. If this is something that you've been diagnosed with and you're experiencing, it's not your fault, and there's nothing that you did to bring it on. Having postpartum depression also does not mean that you're not a good mom or a good parent. 1 in 7 women will develop postpartum depression. Within 1 to 3 weeks of giving birth, symptoms usually begin to develop. 1 in 10 men will also experience postpartum depression. Yes, that is correct. Believe it or not, men can also experience postpartum depression. Their symptoms, however, are a little different than symptoms that a woman may have. If a man is experiencing postpartum depression, the symptoms they may have may include heightened increased irritability or anger. Also, it can include engaging in risk-taking behaviors, such as drug and alcohol use. They may also just detach from the family or have additional physical symptoms as well. If postpartum depression is left untreated, it can be detrimental to both you and your baby. The symptoms will not just go away on its own. If you think you may be experiencing symptoms of postpartum depression, speak up and ask for help. Reach out to your primary care provider or your OBGYN. Together, you all can come up with a specific treatment plan that's tailored to your specific needs. Treatment for postpartum depression includes many options, and that includes individual counseling, support groups for new parents, medication management, practicing self-care. So not only taking care of your new baby, but also taking care of yourself. Also having a village, a support group that includes people that you trust, that you can reach out to and ask for help when you need it. Ask for a break, when taking care of your new little one. Having a baby is such a wonderful milestone and an exciting time in a parent's life. At the same time, it's a major lifestyle change. And those changes, when a new baby arrives, affects the entire family. As new parents, you don't know how you're going to cope or adjust to having a baby until they arrive. If you think you may be experiencing postpartum depression or know someone that may be experiencing postpartum depression, don't be afraid to ask for help or seek help for that person that you know that you care about that may be struggling. There are options available, and you don't have to suffer in silence. That's all I have for today. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.